at all. You wouldn't know it's electric. The electric V-dub bar. So fully electric, the usual?
Yeah.
That is awesome. Well, Manly Dad's Garage, we're doing the Cars and Coffee here at Superformance, and not a bad place to start here. We've got our Boss XC, which is awesome. This thing is top level build, so we'll go and check it out out here at Superformance. Now, they do sponsor Dad's Garage. So thanks very much, Grant and the team, for helping out Dad's Garage. It really does help bring the videos to you. So Superformance, I'll go through and show you the shop as well. They've got heaps of parts, performance parts. They do builds, they do paint, they do maintenance, they do mechanical, you name it. Superformance can help you out. So if you've got any needs, check out Superformance. So that's what it is. Very, very nice. Right, let's get going. We may as well start at the front here. I'll check out the ute. This is always presented beautifully. Have a look at this one. Stunning HG. Very, very nice. Well, we'll start this right here. This is beautiful. Look how clean that is. Look how good that is. That is perfect. Very, very nice. Another one of my favourites. That's the colour of this one. Stunning. Stunning car. This was the first car here this morning, the rod. How nice is that? Ooh, squeaky turbo. Big turbo. Sounded awesome pulling up. I'll cut that in. Doesn't this sound good? Yes, please. Cut that in. Yeah. Supercharged. Didn't notice that. Very nice. And this sounded awesome pulling up as well. It's got a little blower on it. Didn't realise that. Very clean. Very nice. That is awesome. She's a toughie. Got the VL. Hey. 3 litres of awesomeness power. Go the engine bay clean. Very cool. I got a lot of these pulling up because I was here. Well, I was second person here. Beautiful. And yeah, got a lot of them pulling up. Beautiful. My favourites pulling up this thing is awesome Boss XC. How good's this? Morning. How good's that look? How good's that sound? That is awesome. Beautiful paint. Very, very nice. Very, very nice.
Paid 31 for that. In South.
How nice is this?
Brought it back up here.
Got some video of this I'll cut in.
Literally all I did was clean it. And
this is elite level show car. Well, in my opinion, so is this. Oh, how clean is this one? I didn't realise she was a V8 when she pulled up. So quiet. Just smooth as. I'll go outside and do outside in a second, but we'll do all the cars in here first. That thing's so clean, huh? You sounded awesome pulling up. Yeah, stuff. That is awesome. Beautiful. We're running over there. Hopefully, let's see. We'll start to roll in now. BC, very nice. Beautiful condition. Sounds good too. 308. Another beautiful buggy. Quiet as a mouse, that one. Beautiful car. I think I missed this one pulling up. Got that one, I'll cut that in as well. Oh, look at that, we got the Superformance sign in the bonnet. Good's that. Beautiful. Got the Alpini. The Diesel turbo diesel. Awesome. After the graffiti. Alpini. Now this one's actually EV. Yeah, electric. So I got a few shots of that. Chains. Nice. LS2. This one pulling up, I was chatting, but how good is that? That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh wow. How clean's that? Beautiful colour. Stunning vehicle. Mustang. Beautiful Mustang. Very nice. Very nice. You roll it up now. Beautiful condition. It's T. It's not a bolt. Oh, wheels are good. Nice. Yeah, I got the coffee van here, working hard. We also got the sausage sizzle happening over there as well. So awesome morning. You grab a feed, grab a coffee, and check out the shop as well. I'll go and check these out the next row. Let's do these ones here. Got TUFF 350. One of my favourites. Oh no, Kinger, sorry. Where's TUFF 350? She's around the other side. How good's that? Oh, we got a couple of beauties coming up here. TUFF XB. Park that next to Boss XB. How good's that sound? How good's that look? That is awesome. Very, very nice. You pulling up, we'll go around and check them out. Yeah, he's a toughie, have a look at that. 40. Stuff has got a hole in the headlight. How good you are. Morning. How you going?
How are you, Malcolm?
Morning. Yeah, right, I think beautiful lake. Morning. Pulling up there, the 308 LJ. How good's that? Very, very nice. We'll spin around here. Bigger, oh, beautiful. That colour is amazing. Looks awesome. Morning. Sounds good too. 300 feet. Beautiful. Welcome. Really? I better get off the road. Hey? There you go. Alright, it's the 98 Club. They did a video on their event a couple of weeks ago, so check that out. How good is this? We'll check this out a bit more soon, but very good.
Yeah.
No, just fucking stupid.
Yeah, he has to go.
I think give up work,
Here we go, he's got 350. Tough 350. Make sure you don't rev it. How good does that sound? That is awesome. That's amazing. Woohoo! Got that pulling up, I'll cut that in. Sounds awesome.
Got that removable steering wheel.
Yeah, that is awesome. These pulling up as well. She sounded awesome. Beautiful colour. Beautiful colour. That is stunning. Beautiful, beautiful car. Oh, we've got a few more pulling up. Mustang. A little bit of a hole going on there. A little turbo the size of my head. Thank you. This one pulling up. Stunning. It's awesome. Beautiful. We'll cut this in as well. Sounds amazing. Beautiful colour. Alright. Very nice. Very, very nice. Love this one. Woohoo!
You'll see them coming out in chunks out of the pod or brightly built.
I've got this one pulling up as well, so I can cut that in. Another beauty. Yeah, really nice thing we're going past too. Oh, that's clean, yeah, good that. Very, very nice. Very nice. Cut that in. That's awesome. And this Prem, the HG, is in beautiful condition. Absolutely beautiful condition. The interior, air conditioning, beautiful paint, 350. So clean. Beautiful, beautiful car. We'll go and check out the ones outside. Nice wags pulling up the road. And that yellow jump out. And my favourite rods, just love the colours and the stance and everything like that. It's just awesome. Oh, Monaro. Beautiful. Black Monaro. Nice. This is a beautiful little thing. Little V8 in it. LJ. Well, this one's for sale. 65 Corvette. Beautiful. C3. Some stunning cars here today. 22-inch wheels on this one. Got a lot of these pulling up, which is good. Oh, that looks nice. I don't know if I saw that one pulling up. Beautiful. Oh, we got the roller. The old Rolls Royce. How cool is that? Ooh. The T-Bird. Oh, look at that colour. Oh, wow. Very, very nice. Oh, that's some good nick. Oh, yes, please. Yes, please. Now we get the truck heading off. Very cool. It's got an LS in it. Very, very nice. we'll check out this last row here. A few more at the front. And then we'll go and check out the shop. Yes, please. G2. That's a clean VN. Very nice. Another one of my favourites here. That is such good condition. Beautifully presented. Sorry, getting in your road.
Yeah, right. Keep my 473 followers entertained.
C10 is beautiful. Oh, beautiful. It's welcome. Bottler. Cool. Yeah, I missed this Camaro down here. I didn't see it before. We've got the Mustang. How cool is this? Very nice. Wavy thing in the back. Woohoo! We'll have a bit of a look through the old shop in here. It's awesome, eh? You got all the front ends with oh, I didn't see this before. Oh, actually I saw it when it was out the back, yeah. Oh, cool. That's awesome. So all your spare parts that you might need. I got a heap of stuff for the HT off the boys, and they had everything in stock. I think there was one radiator hose they didn't have out of everything for the HT build. But you got all the spare parts here, heaps of stuff. They got Willwoods, you got your oils. Mate, they got the tyres, and they're also their agents, exclusive agents for some wheel brands as well. So we've got a whole heap of wheels. Might have to hit Grant up for some wheels, eh? Full engines, everything. Yeah, they got these awesome custom wheels. Have to hit him up, eh? They also got all the spare parts through the back here, and then obviously got the workshop. Actually, how good are these wheels? Yes, please. Yeah, Superformance. If you need anything at all, make sure you get the boys to help sort it out for you, and the ladies. Sorry. They have got all of your performance and maintenance needs covered. So that's it, Dad's Garage. We got Superformance Cars and Coffee. This is an awesome event. We got cars still pulling up, but I got to head off. Oh, that's a nice one actually, VH. So yeah, Cars and Coffee at Superformance. And remember, these guys do help out Dad's Garage. They sponsor. They wanted to bring a car scene to Brisbane. They don't make anything out of it. They just want to contribute and make sure that these videos get made. So we have Dad's Garage here at Superformance Cars and Coffee. Check out their Facebook page. They have it on every month. Awesome event, as you can see from this one. Loved it. All right, make sure you like, subscribe. Thanks for that.